In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a Google spreadsheet to use in class. So the first thing you'd want to do is navigate to Drive, and when you see this plus new button, that's the button you're going to click to add anything new to your drive. So one way to add a spreadsheet would be to click on the button and then just find Google Sheets down here. Click on that, and that will create a Google spreadsheet at the top level of your Google Drive. However, if you organize your Google Drive and you have folders, then what you might want to do is navigate to the folder where you want the Google spreadsheet to be. So if you're a grade level teacher or you teach specific courses, you may have folders for those grades and courses and even the different content that you teach, and you want that Google spreadsheet to be in a very specific place. If that's what you're looking for, and I highly recommend it, navigate to that folder first. So if I click on a folder and then I click on another one, now if I click on New and then add a Google Sheet, it will create it in this folder exactly where I want it. So here's my sample spreadsheet, and it's in the folder where I want it.